Every problem I've ever had running an agency is 100% always people. People. You need 3 things to run a business. You need a product, you need a process. Those 2 things, super easy for me. But the people thing, oh my goodness, I'm a super introvert. I can't read a room. And so finding the right people to get them on the bus at MAG was not easy. Not easy. For those that are trying to get their first job, my best advice to you is be honest with whoever you're applying to and tell them what you can and can't do. It's real talk. Eliminate the flowery, resume enhancing. They want to know that you have tenacity and grit. They want to know that you're going to come in, roll your sleeves up and say, hey, I'm here to help. I'm here to work. I'm going to find a way to beat down Amazon. All of us against the Amazon, because the system is rigged, it's broken, and there's nobody at Amazon that cares about sellers. So your job as a virtual assistant is to care about the seller's brand. Convince them that you care.